What a roller coaster of a day in the biotech world today. Liquidia, my largest holding, had earnings that posted pre-market. Everything was going amazing pre-market. Let's take a peek at. Yeah, so they posted revenues of 54 million. The expectation was only 18 million. The earnings per share came in at minus 4 cents, and the expectation was minus 42 cents. So they smashed, obviously, the earnings report. So you can look here, pre-market, this thing was trading in the $27 range. So it was up 11% pre-market. As soon as the market opens, it tanks out down to like where break-even was. And I thought something was wrong with my internet connection because I was like, this doesn't make any sense. They had blowout earnings. Then I noticed the price continued to fall. It was minus 6%. So there's like a 17% swing almost in an instant. And I noticed on Twitter that people were talking about this ticker symbol here, QURE. And as you can see, right after open, this thing was down 80%. So it was trading around $70 a share, and this thing pukes out all the way down to $13.50, where it did start to recover. But all that trouble in biotech land caused everything to sell off. As you can see here, the SPIDER ETF that covers the biotech sector, it was down over 4%. So get back to our screen here. What I ended up doing is when everything bombed out, I ended up buying 3,000 shares of Liquidia here at 23.10. I waited just a few more minutes. I bought another 2,000 shares at 23.32. I jumped into my Roth. I bought 1,000 shares at 23.33. And what was worrisome is because right after I bought this stuff, that price, I bought it about right here, right in this area. The price dumped back down into the low 22s. So right away, here's my 6,000 shares immediately underwater. So I'm down a few $1,000s right there. But with that great earnings report, it seems like everybody got their senses back. And as you can see, this thing trended right back up to the $25 mark. So all in all, I was able to make out pretty decent. I ended up for the day on those shares I picked up in my main account. I was plus 14,000 on those. So anyway, wild day in the biotech world and wild